Welcome to this Rms video where we're going to show you how to add a layout to the system. So first of all, click on Tools and Setup. Under Setup on the left hand side we have Layouts. Click on Layouts, and then here we can see all of our groups. So we have North America, Canada and Europe. As we have the measurement points already set up in Europe, we'll add a background picture to Europe. So we click on the group Europe and we add a background picture. We can load an image. I have one saved here on my desktop. I can simply choose it and I push on the button Save. Further to the picture, I can add various labels. I click on Add Label and I can add a measured value label, the measured value label of the entire group, a text label, a webcam, and an Rms Gateway. So I will start with adding a measured value label, and I can here select the various measuring points that I have. I'll select both humidity and temperature, and then I simply drag and drop these values, these labels, and I can click on Save. I can also add a text label that I can move around, and I can enter a text. So here, for example, I can rename it Europe. I can change the text size from normal to large to extra large, and I can change the background color and the text color. I can also add a webcam. So here I will require an RMS converter to add a webcam, and this will allow me, when I do a mouse over, to view a screenshot from the webcam. I can also add an RMS gateway to indicate where the gateway is located within the layout. So here, for example, it is in the technical area. It's a bit big, so I can go and resize up simply to have an alarm icon. For the measured values, I can also resize, so from alarm icon to normal to large to extra large. And then I can set a background color and I can set a text color. So here I have all the information that I require. If I now click on Save and I click here on the layout within the system, I click then on Europe, I can see my layout is now here. I can see my measurement points in the clean room, and if I go over, I can see all of the information about the measuring points. Thank you for watching.